In this video, we will dive into the purpose and process of sprint planning, a crucial step in Agile project management. Sprint planning is a collaborative meeting where the team selects user stories, estimates effort, and creates a sprint backlog. During sprint planning, the team carefully selects user stories from the product backlog based on their priority and customer value. The team estimates the effort required for each user story using techniques like planning poker, ensuring a shared understanding of the work involved. Finally, the team creates a sprint backlog, breaking down user stories into tasks and defining the work that will be completed during the upcoming sprint. To ensure effective sprint planning, it's important to have a clear understanding of the project goals, involve the entire team, and prioritize based on customer value.